Well, if you own a BMW i3 and you do your own washing and detail work, one of the things you're going to have to figure out is what you're going to do about this hard black plastic area down here. It's kind of a kick panel. And then there's another little area up here on the front bumper that's made out of the same stuff. On my tires in the past, I've used this product here, which I'm very pleased with. This is something is usually sold to professional detail shops, so you may have trouble finding it granitized. Works great on tires, but doesn't seem like it's lasting as long as I might want on this black plastic area. This is the other product I've used, which is just the ceramic car polish that I use on the painted areas, and but you can also use it on plastic. It's working good, but as I said, just kind of wondering if there's something that might last a little longer and give me a little deeper look. So a friend of mine recommended this. I thought I'd give it a try. I've already used it on this side here, and in a minute we'll pull it down into the sun and I'll show you what the other side looks like. I did these tires with that granitized product, so that'll give you an idea what that looks like. And like most tire dressing, it's as thin as water. This product is not like that at all. It's more like hand lotion. That's probably too much right there. And that's how I applied it. I rubbed it in like lotion, and I got this nice kind of soft look. It's not a real shiny appearance like you would get with a tire dressing product. It just has a nice soft look to it, satin look to it, and it's actually soaked in. I did this about an hour ago, so it's soaked in quite a bit, and I'm gonna put a second coat on here and see how that works. So because of my back problems, I'm not able to actually bend down and apply things like this. I have to actually lay on the floor, so use this old aerobics mat. Works pretty good. I believe the instructions say about the size of a pea. Well, we're well beyond that, but that's fine. So what is yeah, there's a lot of it. I'm just going to try to spread it around on it since I use so much. And then just come back and kind of buff that in, rub it in, just like putting on sunscreen or something. Okay, so here's the side with no protectant on it. You can see it's kind of a dark gray, but also just kind of dusty looking. And here's our little part on the front, kind of the same situation. And now you can see this is the part that I did with the protectant, and it doesn't look shiny or oily. I like that about it. It just has a nice satiny look to it, smooth. So I'm going to give this product a thumbs up. If you're curious about how long it lasts, you can check back in the comments.